Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about functions from ctype.h, part of programming in C course. The ctype.h library in C provides a set of functions for testing and manipulating characters. These functions are used to check the type of a character or to convert it to a different type. Here are some most commonly used functions from ctype.h. Is_alnum returns true if the character is an alphanumeric character, false otherwise. Is_alpha returns true if the character is an alphabetic character, false otherwise. Is_cntrl returns true if the character is a control character, false otherwise. Is_digit returns true if the character is a digit, false otherwise. Is_graph returns true if the character is a printable character or false otherwise. Is_lower returns true if the character is a lowercase letter. Is_print returns true if the character is a printable character. Is_punct returns true if the character is a punctuation character. Is_space returns true if the character is a white space character. Is_upper returns true if the character is an uppercase letter. Is_xdigit returns true if the character is a hexadecimal digit. To_lower converts an uppercase letter to lowercase. To_upper converts a lowercase letter to uppercase. Here is an example of how you can use these functions in the program. This program will print the character is an uppercase letter. Note that these functions are only able to process single characters. So you would need to loop through the entire string and use these functions on each character. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.